Technique of single-handed knot is explained in this video. One-handed or single-handed knot is a knot tied using only one hand while the other hand holds one end of the suture or thread taut. Step number 1. Hold the red strand that is furthest from you between thumb and middle finger in your left hand. Hold the blue strand between the thumb and first finger. Step number 2. Place the index finger of your left hand between the strands so that it is resting above the blue strand. Next, wrap the blue strand around the index finger of your left hand by moving your right hand up and away from you. Keeping firm hold of blue end in your right hand and the red in your left, bend the index finger of your left hand to create a loop under the red strand. Move your index finger over the top of the red strand. Turn your left hand over so that your palm is facing down. As you do so, keep a firm hold of both the ends. Make sure the index finger of your left hand goes between the blue and red strands in the same gap as the rubber tubing runs. It should now look like this. Let go of the end of the red strand so you are only holding the loop. At no point let go completely. Keep hold of the blue strand. Pull the blue strand away from you and the red strand through and toward you. You now have your first throw. From now on, you need to keep an even tension on the strands or you risk tying a granny knot. Grip each strand between the thumb and forefinger of each hand. Red should still be in the left. Place the remaining 3 fingers of your left hand over the top of the red, the palm face down in this step. Turn your left hand palm up by bringing your fingers toward you. Bring blue strands toward you over the top of the middle 2 little fingers. Catching the blue strand, bend the middle finger of your left hand under the red strand. Now straighten your middle finger over the red strand. Release your thumb and forefinger grip of the red strand but grasp it between your middle and ring finger. Pull your middle and ring finger containing the red strand under the blue strand and pull all the red strand out. Tighten the blue and the red strand. You will have a square knot. Tighten it by pulling both strands evenly. The disadvantages of one-handed tie are that it is more difficult to control the knot tension and also it is more difficult to tie a good square knot. Here we have summary of the technique of single-handed knot. In one-handed technique, the end of the suture is pulled through to form the knot. The distinctive feature of surgical tie knot is that the technique keeps the end taut during the tying procedure. This maintains tension in the first half knot while additional locking half knot is being tied. Alternative technique include two-handed technique or the instrument tie or the surgical slip tie. Here you can see an overview of single-handed knot. So this was the short video about single-handed knot. Subscribe on Obs and Gynae and follow the Facebook page of on Obs and Gynae.